Anticipating needs, another key aspect of fine dining service. If you learn to anticipate the needs of your guest and take action before even the guests think about it or ask you about it, you will exceed those guests' expectations. We will impress our guests by anticipating the needs, because that just shows that we care, guys. All right? You bring a steak to the table. Bringing a steak knife is not anticipating needs. Anticipating needs is you have to prepare the steak knife before you bring the steak. But anticipating the need is that they might need extra sauce or sauce if the steak comes without sauce. They will probably need fresh pepper for the steak. Anything that one guest needs for their meal, we can anticipate and offer them before they even ask. And that makes them feel special, and that shows them that we care about them, and that what exceeds their expectations. Here at the Waitress Academy, we are committed to providing comprehensive professional training that puts waiters on the top 10% of our industry and helps small family-owned restaurants to compete with multi-million-dollar chains by providing excellent, top-quality service for their guests.